This is satellite imagery of a levee shortly after construction to modernize its flood-fighting capabilities. It's a bit sparse to start, but something amazing happens in just a short time. In less than 5 years, trees, plants, and native vegetation quickly take hold. And after 10 years, the vegetation has substantially recovered, restoring wildlife habitat and visual appeal. Right now, construction is underway along sections of Sacramento area levees to provide much-needed upgrades. To access critical parts and make these levees stronger, crews need to clear some trees and plants, but that doesn't last long. The U.S. Army Corps of Engineers, in partnership with state and local agencies, strategically plant thousands of native plants, trees, and shrubs across miles of levees, accelerating nature's return. In just a few years, the land fills in fast. And the big picture? Stronger levees mean safer homes, thriving communities, and a boost to our nation's security and economy.